Ayoko mag-CS eh. Sobra akong to the highest level yung fear ko of cesarean. Kaya talagang hindi ako nagpatalo. Willpower ko was really that high to really fight through it. Ayoko mag-CS eh. Ilalabas ko to. Ilalaban ko to. And during that time, yung prayers ko as in sobrang, Lord, alam mo kung ano yung gusto ko. I surrender everything to you, but please lang, wag CS. Ganon talaga yung prayer ko. As I was crying through all those pain, nung nagka-cramps na yung katawan ko, I was crying and I was praying fervently talaga. Lord, ayoko masiyas, ayoko masiyas, ayoko masiyas. Paulit-ulit, paulit-ulit. Yung willpower ko nandun eh. Paano kung hindi ka ganon ka-strong yung mga nanay? Kung wala kang ganong conviction sa sarili mo and then you would just,
Yeah, sure, okay.
and then you don't know what's gonna happen. Like and subscribe.